It's a 2015 Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban has dominated the road since 1935. This model continues the tradition with the power, efficiency, and adaptability you'd expect. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: V8 engine, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system, rear parking sensors, driver memory seats, Wi-Fi hotspot, streaming audio, trailer brake controller, memory pedal settings, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book remarks, boat and trailer owners in particular gravitate toward Suburbans, which offer up to 8,100 pounds towing capacity. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.